Should I buy or sell Meta? The report from Meta was first published on our website Friday, November 18, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since November 17, 2022, our system ranks Meta as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -3.297. In this period, the stock has so far done better than what our systems expected and had a gain of 0.85%. This is an average return of 0.43% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Meta, our last headline reads, "Green Day on Friday for Meta." The Meta stock price gained 0.85% on the last trading day, Friday, November 18, 2022, rising from $110.82 to $111.76. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.34% from a day low at $110.62 to a day high of $114.32. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 23.1% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by -2 million shares, and in total, 27 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $3.00 billion. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $353.83, and the lowest price was $88.09. Right now the price is 68.41%, or $242.07, below 52-week high, and 70.92%, or $272.57, below all-time high September 1, 2021, where the price hit $384.33. The stock lies the upper part of a very wide and falling trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good selling opportunity for the short-term trader, as reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be expected. A breakup at the top trend line at $117.48 will firstly indicate a slower falling rate, but may be the first sign of a trend shift. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -37.74% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -57.29% and -34.55%. The 12-month trend indicates a -59.62% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between -71.35% and -46.31%. This equals a price between $32.02 and $60.01 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Meta stock received a general buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been found for Meta. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, November 3, 2022, and so far it has risen 25.7%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The Meta stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at $113.27 and $118.26. A breakup above any of these levels will issue buy signals. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 12 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 17 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 50 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 62 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 227 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages holds a sell signal. Remember to go to our page at stockinvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Meta. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $97.94 and $95.20. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Meta finds support just below today's level at $97.94. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $95.20 and $93.16. This stock may move very much during the day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $3.70 between high and low, or 3.34%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 3.48%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Meta. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Meta currently has a price-earning ratio of 12.15. This is a relatively low price-to-earnings ratio and either signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued and could indicate a buying opportunity. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Meta meets first resistance at $111.92. If you do not hold Meta shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Meta finds first level of support at $97.94, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Meta is buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On November 16, 2022, Clegg Nicholas made an inside sell of 8,899 of Class A common stock. On November 16, 2022, Newstead Jennifer made an inside sell of 342 of Class A common stock. On November 16, 2022, Taylor Susan J.S. made an inside sell of 1,421 of Class A common stock. On November 16, 2022, Bosworth Andrew made an inside sell of 800 of Class A common stock. On November 16, 2022, Bosworth Andrew made an inside sell of 6,800 of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative at a ratio of -32.396. In total, the insiders bought 114,372 and sold 224,673 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, no stop loss set. Is Meta stock a buy? Meta holds several negative signals and is within a very wide and falling trend, so we believe it will still perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. We therefore hold a negative evaluation of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Monday 21st, we expect Meta to open up $0.473 and start trading at $112.23. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon stockinvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to